Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn chapter number 13, verb. Verbs for singular and plural nouns. Now tell me, what is verb? Verbs are the action words. My dog runs, jumps, and wags his tail. Here in this sentence, runs, jumps and wags are the action words. My friend Emma dances very well. Here, the word dances, it shows the action of Emma. It is an action word or a verb. I am going to school by bus. In this sentence, going is an action word. Now let's see some more example. I drink a glass of milk twice a day. Here, drink is the action word or verb. I play the piano every day. The play is the action word. I like to eat ice cream. In this sentence, we have two verbs, like and eat. I eat ice cream every day. Here, eat is the action word or verb here. Write every day. Write is the action word or verb here. I love to dance. Dance is the action word or verb here. She is singing a beautiful song. Singing is the action word or verb here. They are playing with a disc. Playing is the action word or verb here. Drink, play, like, eat, write, dance, singing, playing are the actions word or we can say verb. Now, a sentence can have one or more than one verbs in it. See the example. We should wash our hands before eating. In this sentence, we have two verbs, wash and eating. I like to dance and sing. Here we have three action verbs, like, dance and sing. Right? So, in the sentence, we have one or more than one verbs in a one sentence. Right? Just like this sentence. Now, let's see some more example of verb. He dances very well. She dances very well. They dance very well. I dance very well. You dance very well. So, in this sentence, students, do you find any difference? Yes. So, here we use two type of verb, dances and dance. So, now let's learn the rules of the verb. Right? Verbs that come after I, you, we, they and plural nouns do not end with s or es. When a verb comes after a singular noun, it ends with s or es. For example, the verb live. Here, two type of verbs we are using, live and lives. Now, where we use lives with C or he, she and it. He lives in a small town. She lives in a small town. Joy lives in a very beautiful city. Now, where do we use live? So, live is used with the plural naming words and I, you, we and they. I live in a small town. You live in a small town. They live in a small town. Joy and Olivia live in a small town. So, with singular noun he, she, it, we use lives, and with plural pronoun I, you, we and they, we use live. Right? Means with plural naming words we use live without s or es, and with singular noun we use lives with s and es. Next up we have sings and sing. So sings we used with singular noun. She sings very well. My brother sings very well. Olivia sings very well. So it is also used with the singular nouns and he, she and it. Sing, where we use sing. So they all sings very well. We love to sing in a concert. They sing very well. Both my brother and sister sing very well. So sing is also used with a plural noun. Next we have like. So like and likes. Where we use like, they like to eat ice cream. We like to eat ice creams. I and my friend like to study together. Would you like to have a cup of coffee? So, like is used with a plural naming words and I, you, we and they. Now, where do we use likes? So, let's see the example. He likes to eat ice cream. She likes to read short story books. John likes to write long stories. So, likes is used with the singular nouns and he, she and it. Now, this is the some example. Students, you have to fill this blank with the correct answers. You dash very neatly. With you, which verb we are using? Write or writes? The correct answer is write. You write very neatly. Right? Now, next we have they dash together in the class. So, the options are study or studied. They is a plural noun. So, with the plural noun, we use the verb without s and es. So, what we use? They study together in the class. Next, we have my teacher dash very politely. So, here teacher is a singular noun. So, with a singular noun, we use the verb with s or es. So, the correct answer is speaks. My teacher speaks very politely. Right? With singular noun, we use the verb with s and es, and with plural noun, we do not use s or es. I hope students you understand this lesson very nicely. Thank you.